Hey everyone, today's video is about what we have done during the COVID-19. Today is really a great weather to come out and take a couple of videos to show you what I have in my backyard and essentially just to tell you uh, how we trying to be self-sufficient in this pandemic. And obviously the answer is not, but anyway, I just want to show you what we have done, well actually what my wife has done. I have two sheds. So this shed is on one of the video that I showed earlier. If you are interested, check out the link below. And to be self-sufficient, the question is, how do we do that? So before the pandemic, we used to do a lot of plantings, but we kind of gave up because it took too much effort and our vegetable garden became a mess, really. So we spent the last summer, the whole summer, to clean up. As you can see, it's a lot cleaner now. We still have bags and bags of garbage that needs to be thrown out. But what I want to show you is what my wife has done during the past several months is to do some plantings. So right here I have, we have some ornamental chili. These are actually edible. We have some spring onions, some salad greens, peppers, more salad green. So these are actually beetroots, and beetroots, the leaves itself you can't eat, and there are beetroots on the bottom. There are some other plants that my wife planted, and it's getting cold, and we're not sure whether these will survive during the cold weather. But anyway, I want to show you what's in the vegetable garden. What you have in front of you are sweet potato leaves. The leaves actually can be eaten. Uh, Once you plant it, it will climb by itself. It will spread pretty wide, but my wife has been cutting them and eating them. So they are actually pretty good. And additionally, we have some squash. These are Rufa squash, or sometimes we call them Chinese okra. They look like this, and there are quite a few right now, and they grow to be quite long, about a foot and a half. They have hard outer shells. You just kind of peel it or skin it, and then you can cook them. So, like I said, there have been quite a few, as you can see here. We just go around. So there are vines, they climb all around, and there are a few more fruits of squash on the vines. And on the bottom here are some peppers. So there's some long peppers right here, you can see, and we have some sweet peppers as well. And let me just go around here. So the squash again, it's just one plant, and it grows to be quite big and a whole tree of itself. Um, so they'll start flowering around this time. We don't know why, but we do have some fruits of squash start sprouting around as well. So panning down, we have more peppers. And here, you probably can't tell these are actually peanuts. We have to wait for the leaves to dry out, and once it all dried out, then we can pull the whole plants out, and you will see all the peanuts underneath here. Just quickly go around here. She planted more stuff here for the winter. I'm not sure whether we're not sure they will survive. And these are actually potatoes. And potatoes that start drying out, once they all dry out, we can pull it out, and you see potatoes inside. And finally, more spring onions. You can never go wrong with spring onions. They go well with anything that we eat or cook. So if you are interested in to find out how to cook this type of squash, we will show you in the next video. So please like what my wife has done so far to be self-sufficient. And if you want to see more of this type of video, we will post more in the next year when spring comes and summer's here. We plan to put more planting beds and make this a more wider area that we can plant, and we need to be more self-sufficient as well and leave off the ground that we have. So that's it for now. If you, like I said, if you find this video fun to watch, or if you like it, please click the like and subscribe to my channel as we continue to expand our channel, grow our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time on Easy Life. Thank you.